Can you believe it? Friday, week 12, 4 weeks left, but actually for the Friday class, like web design, there's only 3 sessions left. Today we, as a group, briefly talked about the internet. We talked about ads, how they can be a plus or a minus to your website, or how we actually talked about how some questionable websites will have ads show up, and like let's say a Ford Motor Company they don't want their ad to show up on this kind of website, but they could at times. So we talked about those issues. I fixed the links. We talked about how those went bad in my document from in the past and so forth. Okay, and then the interview today, Josh and Joan were interviewed by Kyle and Nathan. And then group work. How will social media affect our 2020 elections? And so we paired up in some groups and they did some research on that and then produced a report. Then last 20 minutes or so could work on their websites. Looking ahead, there are some things that need to be done looking ahead. So you want to go into the curriculum. In fact, I can just do this. I'll add a page here. There is website review that I'm going to do, plus I'm going to see if I can get some other people to help me review websites, so we get 2 reviews of the same site. So you can look at the categories for that. I think that's at the end of Unit 6. And then the finals, part of it is on the objectives. And then the other part's on design. And you can start working on those now. You can fill them out. I think they're due. Well, you can check and see when they're due. But you want to get going on that so you don't have to do it all in one sitting. So those are 2 things in terms of looking ahead. Otherwise, that's it for today.